Hi guys, let me show you accuracy of this market. You can see the market in the past, that how indicator was giving signal and we got some good spike here. Okay, you see how market gone very long. You see this indicator green signal in a position on Boom 600 index on M1 time frame. It is giving very amazing signal. You can hold to make a lot of profit every day. Let me show you another signal in this market. Okay, so you have to trust this indicator in your phone. Definitely I am using this indicator in my phone. You see this system, that the green signal again I got, and you see how many spikes we got here right now. So in the past, still I will show you so many spikes. Just see, if you want to join my WhatsApp channel and my WhatsApp group for this indicator, go to description, join my WhatsApp channel and my WhatsApp group. You will get this indicator and you can use in your mobile phone and make a lot of profit. You don't need to lose your money anymore, guys. And I will show you my WhatsApp channel accuracy, that how I am giving signal free in my WhatsApp channel and in my group. You see that the WhatsApp channel, we have Spike Hunter. You see giving a stop loss and entry, always winning good trades every day. You see some reactions, Boom 600 index, Boom 900 index signal every day. You also can get these signals in your phone just by joining my WhatsApp channel and my WhatsApp group, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family, guys.